How to withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. So let's just go ahead with the process. So withdrawing funds from Hamster Kombat involves a very straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just go ahead and log in into your Hamster Kombat account using your credentials, and you just head over and navigate to the withdrawal section in your account dashboard. Just go ahead and locate and select the withdrawal or cash out option. After you have done that, or if you haven't already, you just need to go ahead and add a verification payment method such as your bank account or your cryptocurrency wallet. After that, you need to specify the amount that you wish to withdraw and choose your preferred payment method. Just go ahead and confirm it, review your withdrawal details for accuracy, submit your withdrawal request, and it can be vary. The processing times can vary based on the chosen payment method. Bank transfer may take up to several business days, while cryptocurrency transactions are typically faster. Just go ahead and do that and ensure your login credentials and payment details are safe to avoid unauthorized transactions. If your withdrawal is delayed, you can reach out to the Kombat. You can reach out to the Hamster Kombat support through their help center, and that is it. That is how you can have your Hamster Kombat earnings in no time. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.